4.26 newtons. The force from the fan is 0.104 newtons. So if I hold this like this and let go of it, will it take off and go up?
I will,
Won't. Why?
because the gravity is more than,
Yeah,
yeah,
because if this thing was going to take off and fly up, how much force would that thing have to provide? At least,
9.9,
no,
9.8.
no. At least 4.26 newtons. Because gravity is pulling down with a force of 4.26 newtons. So if this thing were just going to hover, you would have to apply 4.26 newtons of upward force. Okay. Now let's talk about what's going to happen with the bed of nails. A nice diagram. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to lay in the bed of nails. We're going to take a concrete block, I'm going to put it on my chest, and then I'm going to have Luke smash it with a sledgehammer. Okay? Dramatic example of, hopefully, the laws of physics. Now, in the system, we're going to define Luke hitting me and anything going downward as being a negative value. So we're going to look at this in terms of Newton's 3 laws of motion. Okay? It's an ultimate example of this. Is the block going to have inertia?
No. Yes, it is.
Yes, why? It has mass. Okay?
Oh, my fault.
No, it's the air block. I'm going to have him hit the air block.
That probably hurt more.
Am I going to have inertia?
Yes.
Yes, because I have mass, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is the sledgehammer going to have inertia?
Yes.
Okay, you see the pattern?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, I have the most mass in the system, right? So therefore, I have the most inertia. Cool. So, Luke's going to come down, he's going to apply a force. Now, we're going to jump to the Newton's third law. Downward is defined as being a negative value. Luke is going to be exerting a downward negative force on me. By Newton's third law, what is the block going to do?
Give an equal reaction back up.
Yes, the block is going to push up on the sledgehammer. Now, think very carefully before you answer this. When that block is hit by the hammer, I'm laying there. This is my chest on the line. Do I want that block to accelerate when it hits the block?
Yes.
Absolutely. Why?
I remember best there.
Well, look at it this way. But I want that block to accelerate, but what do I want the sledgehammer to do? Speed up or slow down?
Slow down.
Slow down. Because if that block is hit by the hammer and the hammer maintains a constant velocity, Chuck just shakes his head, right? It's like, toots. That is not going to end well, right? I want that hammer to accelerate, okay? Now you look at this in terms of Newton's second law, which says F equals ma. So here's the story. So the forces are going to be equal and opposite. Newton's third law. I have more mass. I have more inertia, right? So hopefully, what happens to my acceleration? Do I want a big acceleration or a small acceleration?
Big acceleration.
I want my body.
Do a slow one.
I want my body to have a big acceleration or a small acceleration.
Slow.
I want a very small acceleration. Big acceleration means somebody's calling the ambulance. Okay?
All right.
Bad things are going to happen. It's like what happened to Burkham's chest. It accelerated a lot. Woo! Okay?
No, he's gone.
I want a minimum amount of acceleration. Now, the sledgehammer has a small mass. What do I want to have happen to it?
Fast acceleration.
I want a big acceleration, right? I want that sledgehammer to slow down. Snoop. Luke, I might have to reevaluate my choice. What happened? I was giggling when I swung the sledgehammer and I missed. Do you know what your mother is going to do to you if you miss and hurt me? No.
Kill me?
Yes. Your mother is going to kill
Bring me
you.
back to life and kill me again.
That's a very real possibility.
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see what happens. If you want to grab your phones and film it in case something happens, feel free.
Stop the video or like angle it at it. Mr. Burkamp, do you want me to stop it or angle it? Film it? Huh? Oh.
Stop, no. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.
Yep. Good.
Where's the, I have 25 now. The axe?
Plug your Instagram or something, Jacob. No, I'm not plugging my Instagram.
Yeah,
Do
get,
not go follow my Instagram.
do it.
Go follow Jacob Frozy on Instagram.
Yeah.
This? Move it that chair.
Did I move it?
Actually, it's not the camera.
Yeah, no, use the go in.
I was gonna say,
Love of God, use the go in. Okay,
sounds silly.
somebody grab the block, lay it on my chest. This
Yeah.
Oh, no, don't one hand that, no. Use both hands.
We believe in you. I don't.
What up, bro? Sit on feet.
Do we try to play?
Now, you're gonna use the go in, right?
Yeah, this
Okay. Now, you're not, get the camera out of this. Let him concentrate, let him be in the moment. Okay? So, here's the story. Look, focus.
I am.
Yo, lock in.
You only listen to me, okay? You're not trying to ring the bell at the carnival, but you can do like a good half swing, okay?
So like,
Just enough to break it.
Yeah,
okay.
because here's the problem, if you hit it and it doesn't break,
It's
that's
gonna hurt a lot
worse.
more.
Because then all that energy gets transferred straight into my chest. So you want to try and hit right here in the middle, okay? Maybe a little bit more than that,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
All right, there should be a shield somewhere.
Yeah, get some practice swings in.
Yeah.
Some
I
practice
need to like,
Now, no pressure.
it's a lot of pressure.
No, there's a lot of pressure.
Just break it.
Okay. Now count down, but don't do the, oh, in sight, okay? All right, tell me when you're gonna go.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Whew. That was more than half.
Status report?
That hurt.
I'm sorry.
That was not what you practiced. Okay?
Oh, no. I think you better get
Wow.
better.
Okay. That's a good one.
Okay.
That was okay. You did all right.
You broke the ball.
No. Alex, what you gotta say about this? This could be better, this could be worse.
When you said, oh God, I absolutely was,
See, help me out.
I was so scared.
Oh, help me out. Oh, God.
Yeah, look up what I
Stand in front of me. Don't pull me off to the side.
That's not you now.
Oh. Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
That hurt. What was it? It's just like, how long do you teach physics until I can't do that anymore? Okay.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah, your pet rock's dead.
All
On.
right. Now, let me go get some, hold on, I get some balloons. We've got another demo back here.
Why would you do that? I'm no longer voting for you. Hey, I'll get you a new pet. This thing of volume.
Yeah.
Pause it.
What, you really want me to pause it for this moment?
I got it.
Probably should.